Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you how I upcycled a few items that I had at home. I wanted to make them look fresh and new. Let's go ahead and begin. I'm gonna begin with this vase or cup that I bought at Ross a while ago. I think I paid like $8, and I already had this candle holder. I did make it with Dollar Tree items, and practically what I'm gonna do is turn the cup upside down, and then I will be applying or actually gluing in with hot glue the actual candle holder, and on the bottom I will be hot gluing some of these Dollar Tree gems. It is a simple change, but it made a big difference. So this is the end result. I gave it a new vibe and a new look to something that I already had. Next, I will be using a flower vase that I got from time that my husband got me some flowers, and I decided to recycle it. So for this, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up, and right after that I will be using some flowers from Dollar Tree. They look like this, and I went ahead and used 2 stems. And practically what I want to do is to put in some of the gems from Dollar Tree and some marbles mixed together, and also I will be using this floral sponge just to position my flowers like so. And then I will fill in the rest with some of that same mixture. Now, to add a little bit of more dimension, I went ahead and used a necklace. A pearl necklace, but don't worry, it's not a real one. This one I bought at a jewelry box for $1, and it's something that I already had in my closet. I just didn't use it, so I went ahead and used it to decorate this beautiful flower holder. And I'm just gonna go ahead and play with the design, and once I'm happy with it, I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue it. To add more glow to this vase and its decor, I went ahead and used an earring, a diamond earring. Not really, it's also from jewelry box, and I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it right in the middle of the design. And my friends, this is the actual result. I hope that you got inspired in any way or form, and like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Adios.